Hello YouTube. Today I just wanted to teach everybody a little thing that people coming over from Twitch to Kick want to know. They don't want to have the extra page of the creator dashboard, and they just want to run it off of their OBS. Well, I finally figured out a way to put your chat and your activity feed on here. You go to your docs, go to custom. The first thing you want to do, is just type in kick.com and then kick.com. You want to hit apply. It'll pop up a window. I'm already signed in, but you just sign in. It'll have like a little sign in page. You just want to sign in. Then you can delete this one. You go over here to your creator dashboard. You pop out your chat. You copy the link. Go back to your OBS. Just call it Kick Chat. Paste that URL. Hit apply. Guess what? There's the chat. Put it right there. Boom, you got your chat. You can also do your shout outs, whatever. Let's just say shout out Gritty. Boom. Bada boom, bada boom. So you can't chat. You just gotta make sure you do that sign in first. So it's real easy. Then if you want your activity feed, and you can do this for all your windows, your mod actions, stuff like that. So you don't have all this stuff. Your mod actions, you just want to pop it out, copy, go back to browsers, or no, this is activity feed, my bad, not mod actions, activity feed. You just put this in there. A lot of people just has videos for the chat room. This is also your activity feed. Just have to mess around with OBS here, close that. Takes the, there we go. Then you just have to mess around with this. Boom, you got your OBS up. Everything's running good. Also, if you do want your mod actions, where you can see who's been banned, whatnot, like that. Copy that. Yes, go docs. Mod actions. Bam. Apply. And then guess what? Bam. Mod actions is there. Guess what? Stream Elements 101 is back on Kick. And there you go. I hope this all helps. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe. Also, come over to my Kick, follow me, and try and hit affiliate. I hope this helps everybody out. See y'all next time in the next tutorial. I'll be doing like something on the bricks bots, showing y'all how to get your alerts working and all that jazz. Thank y'all for stopping by, and see y'all next time.